The wait is finally over. One of the most loved series on our channel is back. Every year, as Independence Day approaches, thousands of students, parents, and teachers join us to celebrate the spirit of our nation through beautiful handwriting videos. And just like every year, this time too, we have something very special planned for our audience. From essays to speeches, letters, anchoring scripts, patriotic thoughts, and much more. The entire Independence Day celebration begins today. So, if you don't want to miss any of the upcoming videos, make sure you stay with us throughout this special series. Now, let's begin today's beautiful essay, Independence Day. First line is, Independence Day is a responsibility that every Indian carries with pride. When we hear the word independence, most of us immediately think of freedom. But true independence is much more than that. It is the responsibility to respect our country, to fulfill our duties, and to make India better through our everyday actions. Every Indian carries this responsibility with pride. So, for the first line we will write, independence is a responsibility that every Indian carries with pride. Second line is, every time our Tiranga flies high, it reminds us that freedom came through courage, sacrifice, and unity. Have you ever looked at our national flag gently waving in the sky? It tells the story of countless brave men and women who dreamt of a free India. It reminds us that freedom was never a gift. It was earned through courage, through sacrifice, and through the unity of millions of Indians who stood together for one dream. Every time we salute the Tiranga, we silently thank those heroes. Third line is, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August to honor the brave freedom fighters who made our nation free. The 15th of August is not just another date on the calendar. It is one of the proudest days in India's history. On this day, we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters, their determination, their courage, and their love for the motherland. Because of them, we are able to live in a free and independent nation today. Before we continue, let me ask you something. When someone asks, "What can I do for my country?" many people think they have to be a soldier, a scientist, or a great leader. But the truth is, nation building begins with ordinary citizens doing ordinary things in an extraordinary way. And the next point explains this beautifully. So in the next line we will write, in 2026, India is moving forward with the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, where every citizen plays a role in building a stronger and more developed nation. Today, India is moving ahead with new dreams and bigger goals. The vision of Viksit Bharat 2047 is not only about better roads, bigger cities, or advanced technology. It is about creating a nation where every citizen contributes with honesty, dedication, and responsibility. Whether you are a student, a teacher, a doctor, a farmer, or an engineer, every small effort helps shape the future of our country. India's journey towards becoming a developed nation belongs to all of us. But India's story does not end here. Every single day, a nation continues to achieve new milestones that make every Indian proud. And that's exactly what we will talk about next. Next line is, today, India is growing in science, technology, sports, space research, and digital innovation, making every Indian proud. If we look around us today, we can clearly see how far India has come. Our scientists are making remarkable discoveries. Our engineers are building world-class technology. Our athletes are bringing home medals from international competitions. Our space missions continue to inspire the entire world, and India's digital revolution is changing millions of lives every single day. Every achievement reminds us that our nation is moving forward with confidence and determination. As Indians, these achievements are not just headlines. These are moments of pride that belong to every one of us. Next line is, as students, we can contribute to our country by being honest, disciplined, responsible, and hardworking. Sometimes students wonder, I'm still in school. What can I possibly do for my country? The answer is more than you can imagine. Every lesson you learn honestly, every responsibility you complete sincerely, every good habit you develop today helps build a stronger India tomorrow. The future of our nation is being prepared in today's classrooms. Every responsible student is a future teacher, doctor, scientist, soldier, engineer, leader, or innovator. The nation you dream of tomorrow depends on the values you practice today. Next line is, we should respect our national flag, follow the constitution, and protect our environment and public property. Patriotism is not shown only on the 15th of August. It is reflected in our everyday actions, respecting our national flag, following the laws of our country, keeping our surroundings clean, protecting public property, and caring for nature. These are simple responsibilities that make us true citizens of India. Loving our country begins with respecting everything that belongs to it. Before we move to the next point, think about this for a moment. A developed nation is not built only by great leaders. It is built by millions of responsible citizens, making the right choices every single day, and that is exactly what the next line reminds us. So next line is, a developed India grows through strong leadership and responsible children with good values. Every great nation has two powerful strengths: visionary leaders and responsible citizens. Children of today are the leaders of tomorrow. The honesty you practice, the kindness you show, the discipline you follow, and the respect you give to others will shape the India of the future. When good values become a habit, a developed nation becomes a reality. Our freedom fighters dreamt of an India that would continue to grow stronger with every passing generation. Now, the question is, how can each one of us help fulfill that dream? Let's discover the answer in the final part. Next line is, let us dream, work hard, and become responsible citizens who make our nation stronger every day. Every great achievement begins with a dream, but dreams become reality only when they are supported by hard work, discipline, and determination. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once inspired millions of young minds to dream big. Today, that message is more meaningful than ever. Remember that every honest dream has the power to make India stronger. When millions of young Indians work towards excellence, the entire nation moves forward together. Next line is, the greatest tribute to our freedom fighters is to build the India they dreamt of. A united, progressive, and developed India. Jai Hind. Our freedom fighters did not sacrifice their lives so that we would simply remember their names once a year. They dreamt of an India where every citizen would live with dignity, where people would stand united despite their differences, where progress would never stop, and where every child would have the opportunity to dream without fear. The greatest way to honor them is not only by singing patriotic songs or attending celebrations. It is by living every day with the love for our country. That is the India they dreamt of. And that is the India we must continue to build together. That was 10 lines essay on Independence Day, and now it is your turn. If you truly believe that India's brightest future will be built by today's students, type Jai Hind in the comments and tell me one thing you want to do for your country. And don't go anywhere because our Independence Day celebration has just begun. Over the coming days, you will find essays, speeches, letters, patriotic thoughts, anchoring scripts, slogans, and many more handwriting videos to help you prepare for every school competition and celebration. So keep watching, keep learning, keep writing, and let's celebrate this Independence Day together. Until the next video, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.